All right, Algebra 2 EOC practice test number 4. Which expression is equivalent to 4x plus 6y squared? So when you have a quantity squared, remember that that means it's the binomial times itself. So we've got 4x plus 6y times 4x plus 6y. All right, so if you remember, this is going to be this number, or this first expression, 4x times itself, which is 4x squared, or 16x squared. So if you look at these, all of these would be correct for the first term. All right, then you have 4x times 6y, and then you have 6y times 4x, which is the same thing twice. So it's going to be 2 times 4x times 6y. So that narrows it down to one of the middle, 2. And then you're going to have 6y times 6y, which is 36y squared, or 6y squared. Now you notice the difference here is that this is in parentheses, which means the 4 is squared and the x is squared, and up here it's not. So this one is not squaring the 4 or the 6, so that one is not correct. So the correct expression here would be the R, the answer R. So remember, the parentheses means we're taking this 4 and the x and squaring both of those, which when you do 4x times 4x, that's what you're doing. You're taking this term times itself, so you're squaring it. So 4x quantity squared makes sure that you square both the 4 and the x. So the correct answer for number 4 is R.